Expiry day, also known as options expiration day, is the day when options contracts expire. Making money on expiry day involves strategic trading decisions, particularly for options traders. Here's a concise guide. Understand options. Options give traders the right to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specified price before or on the expiry day. Stay informed. Stay updated on market news, economic events, and factors that may influence the underlying assets of your options. Manage risk. Set clear risk management strategies. Options trading can be volatile, so use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Theta decay. On expiry day, options often experience accelerated time decay. Consider trading strategies that take advantage of this decay, such as selling options with short expiration periods. Option strategies. Employ various option strategies like covered calls, straddles, or iron condors to capitalize on different market conditions. Close positions before expiry. If holding options contracts, especially out-of-the-money ones, consider closing positions before expiry to avoid potential losses due to time decay. Technical analysis. Use technical analysis to identify key support and resistance levels. These can influence the movement of the underlying asset on expiry day. Stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan and strategy. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations.